Hi there, gorgeous! Hope you're having a fabulous day. In today's video, I'm sharing my most favorite tips for saving money when you're shopping online. Gift season is upon us, and if you're anything like me, I prefer to shop online simply because I personally have 3 small children, as many of you know, and grocery shopping in itself can be a task. Oh my goodness. So you can only imagine what it must be like to go to a Walmart or a Target. Yeah, no thanks, not doing it. Online is the way to go. So if that describes you and you're looking for some additional ways that you can save money when you are shopping online, then this is the video for you. First tip I have to share with you. If you have a product that you prefer to sample in person, do that. And I'll use Perfumes as an example for you here. This is a product that I cannot buy in the blind. It's one of those that I usually have to go to the store, sample it, test it, smell it, and then I'll make a note on my phone. And I usually have a pretty good running list of perfumes I would like to try. But my most favorite place for buying perfumes is not anywhere that is a brick or mortar store. It is Fragrance Net. I have been buying from this company for so many years. They provide trusted, authentic perfume at discounted prices. And the perfumes I'm showing you here just as an example are the ones that I just recently got from Fragrance Net. I personally love a floral, sweet, sometimes citrus scent, and so the ones that I'm sharing with you here have those types of notes to them. First one I'll share with you here is DKNY's Nectar Love. The notes that you'll find in this perfume are yellow freesia, nectarine, mandarin orange, jasmine, grapefruit, lily of the valley. It's a beautiful fragrance. Next one I have to share with you is from Gucci. This is the bamboo perfume. This is one I got a sample of and I've had on my list for quite a while to get now, and I'm so happy to finally have the full size. The notes that you'll find in this one are bergamot, Casablanca lily, ylang ylang, and sandalwood. I also picked up Escada's Miami Blossom. The notes that you'll find in this fragrance are watermelon, blueberry, and orange, pineapple, jasmine, and tuberose, with musk and sandalwood as the base notes. The next one that I got was from Gucci, and this is the Flora Gorgeous Gardenia perfume. If you love the smell of gardenias, you will love this fragrance. It also has notes of pear in it, and it's a lovely perfume. The last one that I picked up is from Coach. And this is a classic floral scent. It's very light. The top notes you'll find in this one are raspberry leaves, the middle notes are Turkish roses, and the base are suedes and musks. Now, the reason that I personally love Fragrance Net so much is because of the cost savings that you get, especially when it comes to perfume. And just as an example to show you here, I'll show you a side-by-side so you can see what I'm talking about. Let's take the Gucci Bamboo perfume. This is the amount that it would cost on Sephora's website. But with the discounts and the sales that Fragrance Net runs so often, this is the price that you would pay if you get it off of their website. And it is authentic. You don't have to worry about a counterfeit. They have been in business since 1997. Gosh, it just doesn't seem that long ago to me. 1997 feels like yesterday. Anyway, another example I can show you here is, let's take the Gucci Flora fragrance as another example, and you can see how much you would spend for this one on Sephora's website. Same amount of ounces, same great quality perfume, but you can get it for a lot less on fragrancenet.com. So if you love perfumes, you're looking to get one for yourself, maybe you've had it on a list for a while, or you want to get it as a gift for someone else this year, Fragrance Net has the most amazing selection, by the way. You're guaranteed to find the perfume that you are looking for there. If not, contact their customer service. They're extremely helpful when it comes to locating a perfume for you. I guarantee you'll be so happy with them. I have loved them for many, many years. And if you're interested in either their website or the perfumes I shared with you here today, I'll have everything listed and linked for you below in the description box. Another way that you can save money shopping online, clear your cookies and open up a new window, go incognito for all of your shopping. The reason that you do this is because retailers have a habit of tracking where we go online, how many sites we're visiting, how often we're shopping. And if you are a loyal customer, unfortunately, it can work against you when it comes to saving money, because that website knows that you're visiting it constantly, and they tend to save their best discounts, their best sales for brand new customers. So when you open up a new tab and you shop incognito, it basically sends your information to that retailer as if you're a brand new person shopping on their website. And so you're more likely to get those first time offers, those free shipping offers. So try that out next time that you want to save some money. Tip number 3 I had to share with you, abandon your shopping cart. This is such a great tip because It's amazing how many retailers have it set up to where when you abandon your cart, they'll start sending you emails and say, wait a minute, don't you want this? How about if we throw in this extra? Or how about we give you a discount here? You can not only sometimes get some free stuff in addition to the purchase that you're trying to make, or you can also get a discount code that you didn't get before. So don't be afraid to just give up and say, hey, I'll come back later. Fourth tip I have to share with you is one that I have been using for years and years and years, and it has been so effective in saving me money when shopping online. So let's say you got your cart, you're ready to check out, and you got that little box down there saying, enter your discount code. Well, I don't have one. What you can do, go to Retail Me Not, or you can go to coupons.com. These two sites are my most favorite sites for searching for coupon codes for online retailers. The other thing you can do is go into Google and just type in the name of the company. Let's use Ulta no, let's not use Ulta. Let's use Venus Clothing as an example. If you put in Venus promo code 2020, a lot of times promo codes will just start popping up all over the place. Sometimes you have to test out 1 or 2 here and there. Sometimes you may need to test out 6 or 7. But if you keep testing them, eventually you'll come across one that does work. And then you can save some money. Sometimes you get some free stuff in addition to your order. It's a great way. It's a win-win. Tip number 5, make sure you are shopping on the right day. There is a right day to shop. This is something I was not aware of, and I became aware of it most recently. So I wrote it down so I wouldn't forget, because this is something I'm still trying to teach myself to do. Most stores will offer discounts and special deals on Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. I don't know why, but they do. Sunday is the best day to get cheaper airline tickets. Monday is the most expensive, so if you're shopping for an airline ticket, don't shop on Mondays. Tuesdays are the best days to purchase laptops and desktop computers. So if you're looking for a gift for someone this year, electronic-wise, shop on a Tuesday and you'll get bigger discounts. It's pretty cool, huh? I didn't know that. Learn something new all the time. Next tip I have to share with you, plan your big purchases based off of seasonal trends. This is a great way to save money, and there's so many different ways that you can do it. So I'll give you a few examples here. Let's say you're looking for outdoor furniture. Don't buy it at the beginning of spring. Wait until fall, towards winter. If you can wait for it, you'll find that you'll get deeply discounted prices because the retailers are trying to turn it out. They're trying to get rid of that inventory, and it's a great time to buy things like that. Same can be said with seasonal decor. If you're looking for Christmas decorations, get them in January. Thanksgiving decorations, get them in December. Easter decorations, get them in May. You'll find that they're deeply discounted because the retailers want to get rid of them, but you're still getting great quality merchandise. You're just not paying full retail price for them. I also really love to do this with kids' clothing. If you can plan your kids' clothing a year in advance, you can save so much money. I have been doing this with my kids since they were born, and it makes such a huge difference because you'll notice that the retailers are trying to get rid of the summer clothing in the fall, the winter clothing like March, April, around there. So if you can plan it out and buy swimsuits, jackets, shorts, pajamas, I mean, all kinds of stuff like that, at the end of the season for the next year, you can save some money and still get great quality clothing. So just keep thinking along those lines and you'll be amazed at how much money you can save just by shopping seasonally. Another way that you can save money is to download retailers' savings apps for the places that you shop the most. Some of my most favorite ones that I want to share with you are the Target Cartwheel app, Kirkland's Spin to Win, and Walmart's Savings Catcher. And the last tip I have to share with you for saving money goes along those same lines as the apps I just shared with you. There are browser extensions that you can add on, most notably Priceblink and PriceGrabber. PriceGrabber is also an app, by the way. These will pull the price of a product from multiple different locations, different sources online, put them all in one place so you can compare them right there. So you don't have to do a lot of searching, hunting, shopping online. You have everything right there at your fingertips. You can find the best price, the lowest price. It saves so much time. I mean, I used to spend so much time hunting, and I'll be honest with you, I love the hunt. I love it a little too much, but my time is limited these days. So apps like that, add-ons like that for your browser really save such a tremendous amount of time, and they are worth their weight in gold. So if you are looking to save some money online this shopping season, or any other day of the year for that matter, I hope that you found this video helpful. If you're interested in any of the products I shared with you today, again, they will be listed and linked for you in the description box. Thank you for being here, for taking the time to watch, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.